Hello. How's everyone doing? Chef Tobias Cooks. Real quick, I just finished up my radio show. You can see the full radio show on Chef Tobias Cooks Radio. Guess what I did today? I did a breakfast wrap. Yep, a breakfast wrap. Something that you can meal prep out. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so let me tell you what I did real quick. I first used a 100% whole wheat tortilla. So you can make sure it says 100% whole wheat tortilla. You can use that. You could use the multigrain one. You could use the one with flaxseed. And also, you could use the one that says fiber on it as well. So if you get that, make sure you can get your fiber in the beginning of the morning. The next thing I did is the potato. Listen, I love potatoes. I cook with potatoes all the time. You could do sweet potato. You could do a red potato. You could do russet potato, golden potato, whatever potato of your choice. Make sure when you cut the potato up, you cut it in medium dice, okay? Put olive oil on it. Don't put the salt on it. Just a little bit of nice olive oil on it. Put it on a sheet pan, aluminum foil paper sheet pan. Put it right in the oven, 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Reason being because you want it like a little nice crunchy on the outside, but you want it nice and soft in the inside. Take it out, cool it off. You can put it in your Ziploc bag or you can put it in your plastic container. All right. Next thing is your choice of meat. If you're vegan, you could do soy riso. If not, you can do what I do, chicken Cajun spicy sausage. Yes, my mama Louisiana. All right, if you do bacon, if you're on a diet, the keto diet, the paleo diet, whatever the diet is, and you want to do bacon, I don't eat bacon, but get your bacon, put it on a sheet rack first, okay? Put the aluminum foil paper down, put the sheet rack on top, stretch your bacon out on it. You're going to bake it, yes, bake it 325 degrees for about 15 minutes. It's going to come out nice and crunchy. Let it cool down. Take it off the rack, put it in a Ziploc bag, or you could put it in the plastic bag. You could put the potatoes and your choice of meat in the refrigerator. Guess what? 2 to 3 days. All right. So you have your tortilla, you have your wheat tortilla wrap. And then you have your potatoes and you have your choice of meat done. All right. Scrambled eggs. So easy. Really, really easy. Egg, heavy cream. Put it in the pan. Do not brown your egg. Do not overcook your egg. So turn it over. It's scrambled. When you take it out, make sure it's a little bit of slimy. Don't worry about it. You know why? Because egg keeps cooking. As long as it has the temperature on it, it's going to keep cooking. That way it won't overcook and that way it won't be a hard egg. Take that out, cool it off, put it in your Ziploc bag or put it in your plastic bag. You can store your egg up to over the next day. All right. Chop up some avocados instead of using sour cream, instead of using mayonnaise. You want to use your avocado. You can look up avocado. It has great benefits for you. Guess what? Every single morning, you get up, take out your ingredients, put it on your tortilla, and look, you have a beautiful breakfast wrap for you and the children. It'll take you no more than about 5 minutes to do. Wrap in aluminum foil paper. You will have a great breakfast. The kids will have a great breakfast. Everybody will start their day off right. All right, so smoothies. Let's still do the smoothies. Pineapple, orange, banana, ice. That's it. If you want to put yogurt in it, you can. If you don't, this is high vitamin C. If you want to do your powder, you could do your protein powder. You could do your fiber powder, or you could do like me and add chia seed. Love chia seed. Great benefit. Look it up. All right, so I'm on here just real quick, tell you what to do. Listen, meal prep your breakfast wrap. We need to eat our breakfast. Make it a good nutritional breakfast. If you're vegan, tailor it to just the potatoes and your choice to substitute meat and just keep it nice and fresh. You can have it up to 2-3 days. Nice meal prep. Warm it up for the kids. Do your smoothie and you're out the door. Okay, Chef Tobias Cooks, I am here. I have more stuff coming up. I am so excited. Yes, we have our Facebook watch pictures. Our Facebook watch, we have I have all kinds of exciting things that will be coming up. I'll make my announcements later. But thank you so much. I just wanted to jump on real quick to let you know what I do for my family in the morning time, and how if you don't have time, prep it out. No excuse. The babies, yourself, have a good breakfast. Okay, that's my time. Chef Tobais Cakes here. Yes, thank you. Don't forget, breakfast wrap. Don't forget it. I mean, come on. Don't forget it. Little avocado, banana, pineapple, orange, blender. It's so easy. Okay, bye. Have a good day.